Good evening. My name is Constance Maynard. As you can tell by the fangs, I am a vampire. My age is 615 years old. I was born in 15th century England. Now, the reason why I'm revealing all this is because I wish to address a video that I've seen a lot of people green screening. It's a video made by an incel who thinks that women should be drafted into a corps for adult reasons and to take one from an incel once a year. Now, I do not wish to give his face any more screen time, but I still wish to render my reply. What unmitigated gall you have! No one of any gender owes anyone of any other gender access to their body. Absolutely not. People are not property. The whole reason why I became a pirate in the 1700s was to fight against those who thought that people were property and were stealing them from their homeland to sell them into another land. How dare you! If you can't get someone into your bed, then buddy, it's your own fault. Maybe if you incels would start doing things like taking a bath every day, using antiperspirant, and cleaning between your cheeks after you have done your business, you wouldn't stink so badly that no one wants to be near you. And then there's your attitude, especially your attitude towards women and towards other men. How disgusting! You need therapy to deal with this. Honestly, no, not all women go for jerks. All women go for the men who actually treat them with respect and kindness and don't fetishize them and expect them to act like an object. And I've seen how many of you will fetishize women from Japan, thinking that they're all submissive and dainty. People are people. Everyone has a different type of personality. You have to learn to deal with that and not expect a stereotype. You are not owed a partner at all. At all. If you want a partner, then you need to work on yourself. And by the way, those hats that you wear, they're Tribleys, not fedoras. Learn the difference. Google is free. Ugh. Honestly.